Am I the only one that didn't know how cool Cardano's DeFi is? Let's fix that. First up, lending and borrowing. Platforms like Liquid and Meld let you lend your ADA to earn interest or borrow against your collateral for quick cash. Easy, right? Next, we have decentralized exchanges or DEX. SundaeSwap and WingRiders let you swap between different cryptos and earn fees just for providing liquidity. Chuching, worried about volatility? Stablecoins like JED and Indigo peg to the US dollar, bringing stability to your transactions. Smooth sailing ahead. Don't forget yield farming. On sites like MinSwap and Meld, you can stake your assets in liquidity pools and earn rewards. It's like planting money trees. And for the collectors out there, Cardano's got a vibrant NFT scene with marketplaces like JPG Store and CNFT Marketplace. Buy, sell, and trade unique digital collectibles. To get started, grab a Cardano wallet like Daedalus or Yoroi. Research, stay secure, and understand the risks. Now you're ready to explore the Cardano DeFi ecosystem responsibly.